Good morning, YouTubers. This is Cruiser777. Just wanted to thank you for meeting with me today. I'm going to be doing a 50-mile loop or so, taking a look at our caches. Just so you know, our cache points are an inner perimeter of one of our headquarters. So we're going an approximate distance of 4 or 5 miles from our headquarters, all around north, south, east, west. And we're going to be doing some phenomenal training. This whistle has definitely come in handy. My compass, my key link, the thermometer tells me it's about 64 degrees. Just wanted to talk to you really briefly about preparation for bug out bag. You want to definitely carry a light bag when you are training. Try and pack as much as you possibly can overall, but don't pack your full bug out bag during training unless you actually want to do the weight training, because otherwise, if you're doing some distance like 50 miles or so and you're carrying an additional 40 or 50 pounds with you, wow, that's a lot of extra weight and it's going to hurt. And let me tell you how much it's going to hurt, because if you don't have an actual support bag, if you're just carrying a regular backpack, and this is just a regular little Dickies backpack right here that I'm using to train with, then of course it's going to be more painful, because I've sustained that we've done about 60 miles so far, as far as our longest loop that we've had. The most I would say the most difficult thing for me is to get my knees, the iliotibial band, and all of that prepared for that amount of cycling. So what I did is I went ahead and I got myself these sleeves. I've had these actually for training when I started doing marathons, and they've helped me out. They do a world of good, and now I'm using it for biking.
Wait a minute, I'm passing out, win or lose, just like you. Far more shocking than anything I ever knew. How about you? 10 more reasons why I need somebody new, just like you.